significant impact
Lodi,
in the
acceptance
forest
night
regions of the
ng Class
Philippines.
Bendix.
His journey towards
Respect.
becoming a key officer in the National Capital Region Police of the Southern Police District. There he excelled as precinct commander of the Muntinlupa Police Station and station commander of the Pateros Police Station. He served in the Police Regional Office 8
Reminder.
and Police Regional Office 12 and 20
Sir Sayo.
in 1999 and in
Sir
2016. But it was at the Police Region Office 5 that his leadership and command skills truly flourished,
Yan,
shaping
kilala
him
niya.
into exceptional commander in this today.
Stalker.
His distinguished service include key significant at the police.
Mamaya magkamali ako. Ang pinakauna, siyempre, ang pinaka matikas na kasama ko sa RMGR South noon, isa sa aking platoon leader sa first company ng Maharlika Village. Nag-iba, kundi ang ating matikas na plus 2001, Police Lieutenant Colonel Erickson Del Rosario. Ayun, mahina yung palakpak. Halo. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Nandito rin ng siga noon, naalala ko ito eh. Nung ako ay katulad nyo, naku, grabe. Si Boss Max. Yan, grabe yan noon. Pero ganyan talaga ang buhay. Eh, pauna-una kami, siyempre makakatikim ka. O, ewan ko lang sa inyo kung merong nakatikim Lieutenant Nap Cabrera. Isa rin yan, pero mabait siya noon. Si Sir Mac, ang Men in Black, sigurado kayo, may takot at may respeto sila. I can recall
Acceptance night. Class Bendix and CRPO mga Lodi. Bye bye.